So we are here on an incredibly exciting day in Ann Arbor history. This is the first install with our sustainable energy utility. The voters approved the sustainable energy utility in 2024 by a margin of 79 to 21, and it's going to enable us to roll out 100% renewable, reliable, affordable energy to homes throughout the city. This first year, we're in the Bryant neighborhood. We're going to look to power about 100 homes. Next year, 1,000 throughout the city.
Yeah, well, talking to my neighbors, they're really excited about it. I'm personally excited. You know, I've signed up to have my home evaluated so that I can also participate in this. I think from what I can tell from the conversations that I'm having, people are really interested, really enthusiastic, and really hopeful about what this means for not only their utility bills dropping, but reliability increasing, and also just investing locally in sustainable energy.
Makes me feel great. I couldn't do it by myself. There's no way I could ever afford anything like this. It's really a relief. I've been wanting for so long. I go to all the meetings and everything and make sure that I know what's going on. So that's one reason. That and I'm glad of getting solar. Not so much for me, but I'm 80 years old. I probably got a few more years left. Then my daughter gets the house. And all this stuff is for her, and I know that she'll be taken care of.
If any of your neighbors came up to you and asked, hey, you know, should I do this? What would you say to them?
I'd say, why not? You'd be silly if you didn't do it. I mean, you know, it's paid by the city, which is nice. It's going to be a good electricity, you know, and everything. So it'd be silly not to have it.
Yeah, the sustainable energy utility really is a completely novel, innovative model to bring clean, reliable, affordable energy to residents and businesses all over the city. You can learn more at A2SU.com, where you can read about it, watch videos from community meetings, and sign up with no commitment required on an expression of interest. The future of energy lives here.